Hello, everybody, and welcome to the first and hopefully a long series of interviews with data schoolers. Just a quick 5 minutes to get to know them. And starting us off is Marius from DS27. So thank you for volunteering to go first, Marius. Don't worry, you'll get to volunteer somebody to go next. So yeah, who are you? Where are you from?
Hi, so my name is Marius Nikiforovas. I'm from Lithuania, and I'm a part of DS27. Just finished studying tourism recently.
Great. Okay. And what were you doing before you joined the data school, Marius?
So before I joined the data school, I was studying tourism, international hospitality and tourism management at the University of Surrey.
What do you prefer, Alteryx or Tableau?
Yeah, if you would ask me previously, I would say Tableau because I felt more comfortable with it. Yeah. But I do find Alteryx quite interesting now, and I don't know, maybe Alteryx because I feel like there's so much more for me to learn, and I just don't feel very. I feel like my Tableau skills are a little bit higher maybe than Alteryx, and I think there's just so much more to learn.
Okay, so what's your favorite feature of Tableau?
I don't know if you can call it a feature, but just like maps and spatial analysis does make me tick. I feel like maps are just you need to use it carefully, but if you use it right, I feel like maps can leave a very good impact. Okay,
and as far as Alteryx, what's your favorite Alteryx tool? You can only pick one.
Whenever I'm working with spatial, I feel like spatial info, it just simplifies things. So like you just stick it and you get whatever you need. You don't need to like do any sort of transformation. I just found it very useful.
What's your top tip for being successful in the data school?
I think ask a lot of questions. And like how to say, coaches always says ask a lot of questions, but like even I feel that I ask a lot of questions. Sometimes you don't feel like asking a question because you might think that it's stupid or something. But it's never the case, and I feel like it's definitely a good habit to build, because even with if you build this habit and when you work with the clients, you're not going to ask the same questions, but you're encouraged to dig deeper into the problem. And I feel like that's probably the biggest issue you could face in the client project, that you produce something which they didn't really wanted, and it's mainly because you didn't ask questions. So probably that.
And where do you think you've improved the most?
Data prep, definitely, because for me it was, I never had data prep, like I never did data prep before. I didn't know what Alteryx was, and Tableau I both worked a bit in my uni in one of the modules, and then during the actual application process we did that. But I think maybe actually what I improved the most, it wouldn't be even data prep, but it would be more of like analyzing the data and making sure that your data, you know, that you're not blowing up the data, that there's not like checking the data, proofreading it. I think that's something I improved, and I definitely find very useful.
Okay. So now a couple of strange questions. So in your profile, you mentioned that you enjoy camping. Where's your favorite place to camp?
It's nothing special about it, but like how to say, it's not special in terms of the place for most of the people. It's special for me because I remember every single summer we used to spend in my grandma's house. And we just used to put up a camp with my godfather next by the lake, because my grandma has like a different lake. And it was just me, my cousins, and my godfather. And we used to have like a fireplace and all that. I don't know, it's just some sort of, you know, very good memories.
A great memory, yes. What's your favorite tourist attraction in London?
The museum I liked quite a bit, which is a bit different. Let's say it's not typical. So Tate Modern. I think because again it's a modern art, and I feel like classical art, you actually need to study it. You need to know the painters. You need to know like the time, the centuries, and all that. So what does it represent? But with modern art, and especially in Tate Modern, like I never thought I will enjoy it, but I kind of feel like you put your own perspective onto a painting or onto some sort of piece of art.
Interpret it your own way.
And I definitely found it quite interesting. I visited a couple of times, so that would be my recommendation.
Okay, last question. Who's next?
From my cohort.
Anybody?
Okay,
well,
Isabel.
it's got to be somebody in the data school.
Isabel then.
Isabel. All right. I'll let her know.
Cool.
Thanks for your time, Marius.
Thank you, Andy.